The 5 ranked product is ORICO 40 gigabits per second M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure with built-in cooling fan. Tool-free external hard drive enclosure. Support 2230, 2242, 2260, 2280. M key. Compatible with Thunderbolt 3/4 USB 4/3.2, 3.1, 3.0, 2.0-TCM2U4. Review score 4.4. Review count 1,174 ratings. Price $89.99. Customers like the functionality, ease of use, and appearance of the hard drive enclosure. They mention it works great for video editing, is easy to put the memory in, and is a great product for the price. Some are also happy with the transfer speed and fit. Customers dislike, however. Some customers disagree on the heat management and build quality. The 4 ranked product is M.2 NVMe enclosure, 40 gigabits per second M.2 enclosure SSD enclosure compatible for M4 Pro, Max MacBook Mac Mini. Support SSD size 2230 2240 seconds, 2260 2280 B plus MM key PCIe compatible with Thunderbolt 3/4 USB 4/3.2, 3.1. Review score 4.4. Review count 3,279 ratings. Price $79.99. Customers like the functionality, ease of installation, and build quality of the hard drive enclosure. They mention it works well for making bitwise copies of hard drives, is easy to set up and use, and is relatively well constructed. Some appreciate the fit and cable connectivity. Customers dislike, however. Some customers have issues with heat dissipation and mixed opinions on value for money. The 3 ranked product is ACASIS 40 gigabits per second M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure. TBU 405 for M1 M2 Pro, Max. Compatible with USB 4/3.2, 3.1, 3.0, 2.0. Support SSD size 2280 B plus MM key. Review score 4.5. Review count 350 ratings. Price $89.99. Customers like the speed, functionality, and build quality of the hard drive enclosure. They mention it achieves impressive speeds, operates like the built-in system drive, and is well made. Some are also happy with the ease of assembly and size. Customers dislike, however. Some customers have mixed opinions on heat dissipation and value for money. The 2 ranked product is ACASIS 40 gigabits per second M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure with cooling fan. Tool-free installation. TBU 401 Pro for M1 M2 Pro, Max. Compatible with USB 4/3.2, 3.1, 3.0, 2.0. Support SSD size 2280 B plus MM key. SSD not include. Review score 4.5. Review count 609 ratings. Price $109.99. Customers like the speed, build quality, and functionality of the hard drive enclosure. They mention it helps Lightroom work much faster, is well constructed, and stable. Some are satisfied with the design. Customers dislike, however. Some customers have mixed opinions on heat dissipation, value for money, and disconnectability. The 1 ranked product is 40 gigabits per second NVMe enclosure, VVCOM M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure. Aluminum alloy external NVMe enclosure support size 2280 mm B plus M key, compatible with Thunderbolt. 3/4, USB 4/3.2, 3.1, 3.0, 2.0. Review score 4.5. Review count 752 ratings. Price $79.99. Customers like the functionality, ease of installation, and build quality of the hard drive enclosure. They mention it works well, is easy to insert a drive, and is made of high-quality aluminum. Some are satisfied with the speed and value for money. Customers dislike, however, some customers disagree on the heat resistance and USB connectivity.